Hello everyone, let's try to learn one more name reaction, which is a wurtz reaction. It is a coupling reaction in which two alkyl halides react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether in order to form symmetrical alkane. Alright, let's see one example here. We can take any alkyl halide. Let's take this methyl bromide CH3Br. Usually we'll take 2 moles here, and this occurs in the presence of sodium metal and in the presence of dry ether, and it will give symmetrical alkene. Here it is ethane. Alright. You just no need to go for mechanism and all. You just see whenever if they give this alkyl halides and in the presence of the sodium diether means it will undergo this wurtz reaction and it will form an alkanes. Alright. And how can you write the product directly means whatever the alkyl group they have mentioned over here, just add the 2 moles of this, like with a bond, single bond. So this is how we can write it simply. So let's see here a few important points. Wurtz reaction between two different alkyl halides is not useful because it gives a mixture of products. Let's say for example, you have took 1 mole of this methyl bromide and plus 1 mole of this ethyl bromide. Alright. Here we might get a different in the presence of this reagent, sodium and dry ether. We'll get different products, right? Because it might undergo like wurtz reaction, it might give you ethane and it might give you butane, and there might be a product which will be what propane also we might get. This is how we'll get mixture of products here. It might not be that much useful, right? One more point is that if in case of this sodium, if we use this zinc, then the name of this reaction will be called as Franklin reaction. And so that's how, like, we'll take two alkyls together with sodium. So weld two alkyls together with sodium. This is how you can just have an idea what exactly the wurtz reaction in one single sentence. Weld two alkyls together with sodium metal, that in the presence of dry ether. Alright. So this is how you can have an idea about this wurtz reaction, and I hope it's helpful for you. And yeah, we'll see one more name reaction in my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Bye.